What's the meaning of continue? Continue. Continue.
Continue. Continue. Continue is a verb that means to persist in an activity or process without interruption. It is used to indicate that something is ongoing and will not stop or be interrupted. For example, if someone says they will continue studying, they mean they will keep studying without stopping. Similarly, if a machine is programmed to continue running, it will keep working without any interruptions until it is stopped. The word continue implies continuity and persistence, and is often associated with dedication and determination in achieving a goal.